Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 30. Today we learn data classes for cleaner data. Data classes use the type hints from last time. Normally a class needs $init, $repr, and $eq written by hand. The Dataclass decorator generates all three from your field annotations. Fields with defaults go after required fields. Let us create Dataclass basics.py with two simple data classes. We import the Dataclass decorator from the Dataclasses module. Point has two float fields. The decorator generates $init for passing x and y. User has four fields. Name and email are required, while age and active have defaults. The results section creates points and compares them. Equality checks values, not identity. Two points with the same x and y are equal because $eq compares field values. Let us review the code with bat. Notice how clean the classes are. No boilerplate $init or $repr needed. Now let us run the code. P1 equals P2 because both have x3 and y4. The auto-generated $repr shows field names and values. User Alice got defaults of age 0 and active true since we only passed name and email. Mutable defaults like empty lists are dangerous. Every instance would share the same list. The field function with default factory gives each instance its own copy. Frozen prevents mutation. $post-init computes fields. Let us create fieldFrozen.py to explore field frozen and $post-init. We import field alongside Dataclass and list from typing. Team uses field with default factory set to list. Each team gets its own empty list. Max size uses repr equals false, so it is hidden from the printed representation. Config is frozen. Once created, you cannot change host, port, or debug. Rectangle uses field with init equals false for area. It is not a constructor argument. $post-init calculates area from width and height right after the object is created. The results demonstrate that T1 and T2 have separate member lists, not a shared one. Let us review the code. Each class shows a different Dataclass feature. Team uses field, config uses frozen, rectangle uses post-init. Now, let us run the code and check the output. Backend has Alice in its members list, but frontend has an empty list. They are separate. Rectangle shows area 15, computed automatically by Dunder post-init from 5 times 3. Now let us combine everything into a real product catalog system. Product uses field, Dunder post init for validation, and properties for computed values. Catalog manages a collection with filtering and aggregation. Let us build the product catalog with all Dataclass features combined. Product has 6 fields. Tags uses default factory for a fresh list, and discount is hidden from repr. Dunder post-init validates price is not negative, running on every product creation. Sale price is a property that calculates the discounted price from the original and discount rate. In stock is also a property. It returns true when quantity is above 0. Catalog has a name and a products list using default factory. The add method appends a product. In stock filters for available items. By tag filters products that contain a specific tag in their tags list. Total value sums each product sale price times quantity across the catalog. The results section creates 3 products: a laptop with a 10% discount, a mouse, and a keyboard. We test filtering by stock status and by tag, then calculate total inventory value. Let us review the complete file. Product and catalog work together. The code reads like a clean API with no boilerplate. Let us run the catalog. The laptop shows $899.99 after the 10% discount. Mouse and keyboard have no discount. Only laptop and mouse are in stock, since keyboard has 0 quantity. Total value is $5,099.76, calculated from discounted prices times quantities. Let us recap Dataclasses. The decorator generates Dunder, init, repr, and EQ automatically. Use field for mutable defaults and frozen for immutability. Dunder post init adds computed fields and validation after creation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Next time we explore async and await.